Welcome to Hackathon. This is Shyamla. So I have designed a chatbot for tracking the COVID virus cases using virtual agent. Okay. So let's see how the case is designed. So I'm going to get inside the COVID. I have predefined cases built in, and let's see a short demo. So the person is going to type I'm having COVID symptoms. So it gets inside this algorithm, and the virtual agent checks and comes up with a result. We will be able to track the changes which have been defined inside this Power Apps, Power Virtual Agents. So once I type I'm having the symptoms of COVID, it gets inside and it is able to find the case scenario. Have you recently traveled to any one of the countries, either China, Iran, Italy, Japan, or South Korea? So these are the scenarios where where they already COVID has been affected area. So based on this, the person who is living inside the house, that is without any contact with the outside, they will be able to tell us whether they have recently traveled, yes or no. So this is the design behind this. Yes, I'm giving yes to this. So what it goes is, it goes behind this use case and tries to find out the history of the case. So the case history is, it goes and finds out whether after they have traveled, yes, if they have traveled to these 5 countries, have you been in contact with someone who has traveled in these countries is now sick? It has come to here. This is the case. Have you been in contact with someone? Answer is yes. So it goes behind the use case and algorithm and searches and finds out the best possible result and comes back with the result. Have you been in contact with someone who has coronavirus? First, it was asking for sickness. Second, after diagnosing, yes, they are sick, it is now asking for they have in contact with person who is already have coronavirus. Yes. We have 3 cases here, either yes or do not to my knowledge or other cases. So first let's see the positive scenarios involved in this. So the bot, that is the virtual agent, is now able to come back with the next case. Have you been confirmed by the health officer that you have told the health officer you have been exposed to this COVID-19? It is now doing the surveillance. I am going to tell yes. So the algorithm goes again back and searches for the final result and comes back, and it does a deep learning and it is able to come back with the result. So various diagnosis has been done. Now it is coming back yes. So are you been having fever, cough, running nose, sore throat? So I'm going to tell yes. So, do you have shortness of breath? Is the final question which is been asked by the system. Yes. So, the algorithm goes and trains, and again it comes back. Do you have an X-ray taken? Yes. Please contact the radiotherapist to check and confirm the X-ray and confirm whether they are having COVID or not. So, it is asking for the X-ray. So now I have done training of the COVID virus, and let's see if we put if we try to improve the image, let's see. I'm taking the X-ray and set going to test it whether the X-ray is having COVID or not. By this way, I'm uploading the X-ray externally, and I'm able to find out the result whether he's having X-ray or he's having COVID or not using the diagnostic X-rays taken by the patient. So this tool will help the doctor in diagnosing whether the patient is having COVID or not. Sitting inside the house, the person without any contact, they will be able to find out. So this I can tune it as a mobile app, or this bot helps us to track it and find out whether the person is having COVID or not using a history of diagnostics as well as the X-ray scan. This should be an excellent tool to diagnose using machine learning, artificial intelligence, and due to a continuous training of deep learning, we are able to identify the COVID virus. Thank you.